problem. I want to open an InDesign file, so I go to File, Open, and now the Open a File window shows me all the files that InDesign can open, which is, I just want to see InDesign. So these are all the files shown, but that's not what I want. You can choose a different filter, like here, InDesign, and now the window shows you just InDesign files and a couple of others that I don't have here. But crucially for me, it doesn't show me InDesign books, INDB. What do I do? I use this script. And as you can see, I applied Control-O, the keyboard shortcut to it. So the script actually takes over the InDesign's file open dialog. I run the script. The window looks exactly the same as when you went through the menu. Anyway, I created a filter in this script so that it shows me just INDD and INDB files, like here. But additionally, you can add filters to the script. For example, I added a filter images, which shows just PNG and SVG files, like here. And I can go back here. And you can define any filter that you like. The comments show you how you can adjust the filter in the script. The script is very simple. It's just a couple of lines, you'll see.